What's up, y'all? It's your boy MOB Calico, aka Calico the True, back again with another video. And I know I meant to do a video based on was I getting the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. Over getting in my car and shit. But I thought I'd take y'all on a quick little trip with me and talk my shit. Let me see. Make sure this camera is focusing. Look a little dark, but it is what it is, man. Let me see. Alright. But yeah, I'm basically just taking y'all on a trip with me because I know I was talking about this Note 10 let me see, with the whole Note 10 debacle. Well, I am definitely getting a Note 10 Plus. I'll definitely do an unboxing video. Let me see here. Just gonna actually go over some things with y'all. I gotta get my charger and shit. My fucking phone is about to die. I know, y'all. I know I'm looking a little rough, man. A little rough. I got off work today early and was chilling. I actually just woke up from a nap. See, the whole thing with the Note 10 debacle, man, I'm just gonna let y'all know, like, I mean, honestly, it's just one of those things where I feel like it's an upgrade either way it go. You know what I mean? Like the Note 10 Plus, I feel like it's an upgrade because basically I upgrade my phone maybe twice a year. Once for the iPhone, once for the Note. And this year I'm definitely switching over to Verizon with my iPhone XS Max, my 10s Max. So I'm thinking that's probably gonna be my whole thing as far as switching. It's definitely gonna be going to Verizon. I mean, I'm with T-Mobile now with both of my lines, but I feel like I'm gonna need something to really differentiate myself. Just due to the fact that, yeah, I do travel. I may not travel as much as, you know, many people out here that travel like every week or whatever, but I'm definitely traveling from like every 2 to 3 months. I'm always hopping on the plane going somewhere, or I'm always out somewhere. My T-Mobile service is always iffy, or it's trash, or something's going on with it where I'm usually cutting out calls and shit. But I mean, I'm definitely liking the gesture controls with the Note 10 Plus. I think the battery from 4,300 milliamp hours from the Note 9, which was 4,000 milliamp hours, is an upgrade. Even though it's slight, it's still an upgrade. You know, improved S Pen. We got a better processor, the Snapdragon 855. Yeah, of course, it might not seem like an upgrade to you if you never owned the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus. But I never been really into the S lines. Last S line phone I owned was the Galaxy S4. Yeah, and that's when I found my homie Floss's channel, actually. When I got the Galaxy S4 and the HTC One M7. So those was the phones that really hit a milestone for me. Let me see. I do like the fact that Samsung is now implementing the night mode on the camera, also the time of flight camera. I like the fact that they pretty much they got better steady frame shooting as far as like the not steady frame. The hell am I talking about? I'm talking about basically the steady cam, basically the steady video, which seems pretty good to me because I've been definitely looking forward to that. So I'm thinking that's probably gonna be my next thing. And also it's been improved low light on the front camera. You're also getting a 10 megapixel front camera instead of a 8 megapixel on your Note 9. You're also getting a better screen. You're getting a bigger screen, you know, 6.8 from a 6.4. That's pretty damn good. Dynamic AMOLED, that new color Aura Glow. Whew. That shit there's beast. That shit beast. But yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna give it a try and see what's what. But hey man, I'm about to head to Publix supermarket. I guess I'll probably just bring you guys with me and we'll talk some more, man. But stay tuned right there. I'll be right back, alright? Alright y'all, so back in. Alright, so yeah, I'm at the grocery store, about to just pick up a couple cases of water, a few more other items. Yeah, where was I about this Galaxy Note 10, man? Oh yeah, I forgot about the 45-watt charging. Thinking I might probably end up copping that. Who knows? Might have to grab it up. I know me and my shorty, we both getting Note 10 pluses. We'll see. Yep, so I just got done in Publix, just got done shopping. Basically with this Note 10 release, well, Note 10, I would never ever get the Note 10 regular version because Note 10 is just, that shit is just trash. I wouldn't even bet on even getting the regular Note 10. If you got any sense, you get the Note 10 Plus. Because you're getting a lot more bang for your buck. I just feel like the Note 10 this year, they just pretty much dumbed it down a little bit. But the Note 10 Plus is definitely the version you want to go for. The wireless power share, where you can charge another device with your device. You got a few more little things you can do. Got the AR Doodle and AI Doodle, whatever it's called. Seem pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to a few other little devices this year, man. Like I said, like the Note, with an iPhone 11. And hopefully it's a good device. Hopefully it works out. Yeah, just basically working on a few other things too. I got in the works. Me and my girl, I know we definitely got our channel popping off. So whenever y'all want to follow our channel, Calico X Kiana, follow us. I know we definitely got the vlogs about to start popping off. It's been a few days now. Like I said, I'm still trying to work out the kinks as far as finding like some good editing software. How I want to really like edit these videos. So I've been kind of like picking and choosing from different editing software to kind of get the idea of what we want to go with as far as like our little format. Besides that, man, I mean, like I said, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, I will be doing an unboxing video on. Y'all can check me out. Follow me on Instagram at Calico the Truth. CALICO DATRUTH. Follow me on Instagram, Calico the Truth. Also Instagram, Twitter, not really on Facebook like that, but definitely check me out. I appreciate y'all for stopping by, man. It's your boy MOB Calico, and I'm out. All right.